This is China's longest river, the Yangtze. It's home to a small dolphin-like animal, which has lived here for 25 million years. The Yangtze finless porpoise. Known as the giant panda of the water, the species is in critical danger, and protection is in full swing. This is the Dongting Lake in China's Honnam province, a major habitat of the rare species. Today, I'm joined by a British friend, James Eddington, to discover what efforts have been made here to protect the mammals. James is a public-spirited university teacher who has lived in China for 15 years. What do you know about finless porpoise?
Well, they're critically endangered, but they're called the smiling angels. So I'm looking forward to meeting them, hopefully.
Okay. So today I'm going to introduce you several guardians of the finless porpoise. And first of all, let's meet someone who used to be a fisherman.
Wonderful. Come on.
He Daoming's family had been fishing here for a living for generations, until one day when he had an encounter with the finless porpoise.
看到了一对江豚母子背了个渔网缠住了，后面我把网蒙开以后，它没有走，它带着它的这个小江豚围着我擦圈，好像是感谢我一样的。
Then he gave up fishing and set up a team of volunteers to protect the finless porpoises. His son, He Dongshun, also joined the volunteer team after graduating from university. In early 2021, a 10-year fishing ban took effect in pivotal waters of the Yangtze River, which further reassured He's family.
你怎么看长江10年禁渔？
我觉得长江10年禁渔，它对长江的生态环境保护起到了一个积极性的作用。洞庭湖的生态变好了，江豚数量提升了，洞庭湖的生物多样性逐步的恢复了。
I am so lucky.今天我看一看江豚。I didn't expect to see one so soon. It's a sign of the vitality of Dongting and the regeneration of the environment. It's very inspirational. It's very heartwarming. It's very good to see real people doing really good things. It's amazing.
Apart from the fishing ban, the environment on the shoreline of the rivers and lakes is also vital for the finless porpoise.
Absolutely, we have to protect the shoreline and the overall ecology.
Yeah, you're right. And now we've come to the Hualong Wharf in Yueyang, which is also known as the finless porpoise bay.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Hualong Wharf, located along the Yangtze, used to be heavily polluted. In 2017, Yueyang launched a campaign to clear up the shoreline of the Yangtze, banning 39 illegal sand and gravel unloading wharves along the river, including the Hualong.
经过整治复绿以后呢，水质变清了两岸变绿了。我们这个长江流水经过大转弯在一个江豚经常出没在这里，人们在这里看到很多江豚所以说我们把它叫做江豚湾。我们的工作主要是巡抚和监测对岸线的喷活垃圾进行清理。
In April 2018, President Xi Jinping came to this petroleum monitoring station during an inspection tour.
当时到这里视察的时候说了一句，要我们守护好一江碧水。这个工作很频繁，但是我还是要坚守在这里，为我们家乡生态保护和家乡美出分力。
The finless porpoise bay is now a scenic attraction.
It's amazing, isn't it? People will benefit, and they can't just get richer maybe by money, but they're richer by the environment, the nature that's around them. That's a wealth. It's the richness of our inheritance and our progeny. How exactly do people improve the water quality of the Yangtze River?
Well, We are now heading to a hydrological station.
Yeah.
And maybe you will find out the answer there. The Chenglingji Hydrological Station is situated close to the site where the Dongting Lake meets the Yangtze. Here, water quality is closely monitored. Here we met Chen Jianxiang, a hydrological expert.
我想知道当地怎么治理污水的。
我们主要是通过关停小的这个化工厂和造纸厂，然后呢鼓励公民使用不含磷的洗涤剂。第三个就是通过城市的这个雨水和污水分离啊，来降低这个污染水的这个总量。
有什么成效吗？
我们可以看到我们的水更清，草更绿，然后生物的多样性得到了修复。现在我们水面上能看到很多成群结队的鱼了，对江豚它的食物这个量起到了增加的作用。
In 2018, during President Xi's inspection tour in Hunan, he also came to this hydrological station. Chen told Xi about monitoring and management of water resources in the Dongting Lake.
总书记推动长江经济带发展，更抓大保护，不搞大开发。我认为，它促进了人和资源的和谐共生。我们现在鸟更多了，江豚也更多了。长江保护取得的显著成效，体现了总书记的生态文明思想。
I'm so impressed. I'm so happy to hear all the measures that have been taken. The fishing ban, looking after the cleanliness of the water, getting rid of the pollution and so on. And I think that's all wonderful. All of these things come together. Little things make a big thing. All these sorts of things. It's a much better environment for the finless porpoises. I think we should all be very proud with what's been done and achieved here